Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to edit photos in Canva using AI tools. First, open any browser and go to the canva.com. Please make sure that you are logged in with the Canva account. Once logged in, you will see options. Within the Canva AI interface, type in the prompt and tap on the submit option. The Canva will generate multiple AI images based on your prompt. You can just click on your favorite image to add it to your design, or you can just download it to the download icon at the bottom of the image. It will successfully download it and you can use it for future. Or the other way around is to tap on the create icon and choose a social media handle template. Once you are on the template, tap on the magic media at the bottom left corner. Here, type prompt, tap on the generate images, and the Canva will generate multiple AI images based on your need and your prompt. Click on your favorite one. Now you can further edit it using Canva tools like filters, crop, magic edit, backgrounds, or delete based on your preference. And that's how you can easily generate AI images using text to image in Canva. If this video helped you, please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.